I just got back from flying and was cleaning up my plane, and I thought I would do a quick comparison of these two products that one I've used forever and one that was recommended to me as a substitute. Just got back from my flight. It was beautiful. I hope you're flying today too. It's a great Saturday. I want to talk about these two products here. I don't work for anybody. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by anybody, so this is just my opinion. So I've been using Plexus forever, like motorcycle, car stuff. And of course it was designed for airplanes originally for the acrylic windshield. So I've been using this forever, but as a lot of people know, this stuff comes off at 22, 23 bucks a can. I think is what I paid for the last one. And this one is, I believe I paid $8.95 a can from Prist when I last bought this. But what I've noticed in the difference is that while they're both good cleaners, I found that using the Prist, I'm on my second can. I bought two of each. I'm on my second can of this one, and I'm only about halfway through. And I've been alternating, using which ones I clean. I find that I have to use a lot less Plexus than I do Prist. And the Prist requires a lot more wiping to get rid of the haze, whereas the Plexus, it goes fast and it dissolves almost all the bugs and grime almost in like the first pass, whereas the Prist, I have to do like 2 or 3 applications. It does work good for dissolving the bugs and stuff off like my leading edges, but as far as my opinion of what is superior, the Plexus is far superior for cleaning the windscreen. I know a lot of people are tempted to buy the cheaper one, but this lasts more than twice as long. So I think the dollar for the value and how well the product works, I think this is the far better deal. So let me know what you think. I'm curious. That's just my opinion. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with any of these companies, but over the last 6 months, I've been using them both, and the Plexus is definitely going to be the only one I buy going forward.